Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called virtual supply chain. A virtual supply chain is the computer science replica of your physical supply chain so that you and your partners get a complete picture of your supply chain in a real-time environment. The virtual environment in which a virtual supply chain contains the technology designed for flexibility, complexity, and speed in the management of network of supplier, manufacturer, distributor, and warehousing. Apart from that, the internet infrastructure makes it possible to perform checks on inventory level, order status, as well as expected product delivery time. Problems are identified and addressed in real time to minimize production downtime. Ultimately, customer satisfaction comes first. Another advantage of virtual chain is the possibility to reduce the time to market. As soon as first information becomes available at the beginning of supply chain, short production schedule, punctual transportation timing, and JIT stock ensure that the product are produced and shipped as quickly as possible. In addition, the lower inventory level provide better returns in the supply chain. A virtual supply chain that connects the network of all parties is inevitable to increase profitability. Companies are increasingly developing towards virtual organization. Physical assets are no longer leading, but information and knowledge, design, production, logistic, and even final assembly can be outsourced more and more. Organizations are increasingly focusing on their brand and their connection with the customer. From a hardwired organization to a virtual informal organization where employees are spread worldwide. The new development in the field of technological developments are already forcing companies to think about new business model, taking into account that their lifetime is getting shorter and shorter. Large stable supply chain will disappear and make way for segmented virtual supply chain. Incorporating flexibility into the organization is an absolute precondition in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.